All right, so you guys may or may not know that I'm a novice when it comes to GitHub. Still learning, right along with you. But I wanted to get this on recording because it looks like it's a one-time sort of deal. And I think it's pretty close. I don't really trust ChatGPT very much, but basically I have made an update to the YuuAPI and I want to sync that change so that I can use the features, the new features. So looks like we're gonna need to go to the terminal, which is, where do they hide that? I feel like there's a way to open it. Just click terminal, new terminal. There we are. Okay. So here we are in the terminal and get remote -v. Should see something like this. Get remote -v. Get remote -v. Ooh, not remove. Remote. Excuse me. Easy mistake to make. Remote. There we go. Perfect. Unfortunately, it does not show the YuuAPI. So if it doesn't, you should see something like this. If you only see origin, add upstream. Get remote, add upstream. Get remote, add upstream. And then we need to put in the address. And that is github.com/YuuOnline/YuuAPI. Boom. All right. Let's try this again. There we go. We can now see it. Okay, so do we see it? It does look like we see it. Perfect. I want to be very careful not to ever accidentally update the YuuAPI. I don't think you guys will ever have that option like I do because I own it. But we do want to be able to fetch from it, not pushing to it. So now that we've got that set up, we want to fetch upstream, which will make it appear. I want to use UI whenever possible. Source control fetch, fetch from upstream. Okay, so we go 3 dots, fetch, fetch from. Upstream. Hey, there we go. Did that work? I don't see an update here. Kind of expecting it to ask me to update. No, that did not update. Let's go back here. Why did that not change? Nothing here. Find the branch in the UI. Source control branch, merge branch. Okay. Branch, merge, upstream, main. I wonder if these matter. Does it matter if it's header main? Think they're the same thing. We'll go with main. Okay, it looks like it's done it. And now we can sync these changes. So we'll say updated the YuuAPI to be synced with, I don't know if upstream. Yeah, we'll just call it upstream. Cool. Sync changes. Cool. All right. I'm going to get some practice with that, but the process should be pretty straightforward. So we've got all these colors here, and I think just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add a new color, Command-C, Command-V, and then we are done with this. We're going to go back to RGB color. I was using this one earlier and want to create a kind of like, I would call this, what's the word? Lavender? Yeah, I would call that lavender. So we're going to go ahead and create lavender as a default. And then this color is 219 on red. So we do 219 divided by 255. Get 0.859. And so we go 0.859. And then we need our next color, which is 193. 193 comes out at 757. 757. And our last color is 100% blue, 255. So that's a 1. All right, so we can close out of this and close out of that. I'm going to go to 1. Perfect. And save. We'll then add a commit that says added static color lavender. I think I spelled that right. Otherwise, there'd be an underlined commit. Sync changes. All right, so I just updated the YuuAPI to have lavender built in by default. It is one of my favorite colors, so I mean, why not, right? Now back over here, theoretically, we can now go. I don't know why this comment is still here. That was kind of weird to me. But I'm imagining I just go branch. I think we have to do the pull, push, fetch from YuuAPI. All right, so that's got the changes, and then 3 dots. And we go down to merge. Did I lose the merge? There it is, branch. Merge, there we go. And we want to merge with upstream main. And there we can see lavender is added. And then update the YuuAPI to be synced with upstream, which added the color lavender, in case anyone's trying to figure this out. Sync changes. Cool. So that's the process, right? Like you got that as 2 steps. I'm gonna have to do that a few more times to get used to it, but that's why I recommend forking from the YuuAPI, so that way you can always get the changes. There might be another way to do that, but cool, looks good. I thought I might go to the YuuAPI real quick, just double check that everything looks good on here. Basic types, color, yeah, look at that, so nice. But I wasn't really worried about that. I want to then go, and I'd recommend checking this out, guys. I think this is really cool. Click the fork button over here to see everyone's forks. So I just found Skitter has been working on one, and I want to go check it out. That's why I've got it open. And I was going to head over to YuuStacker that we've just updated, and then double check that the YuuAPI got updated over here correctly. And there's our lavender, and there's our 2 HSV. Brilliant. Okay. We've done it. Sorry there's no video of my face, but there's my mouse moving. I will see you later. Bye.